Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Needs of Children. We are discussing about 10th standard English medium social science, in that sociology unit number 2 continued part of labor. In the previous session we get the information about labor without pay, labor with pay. These are the important concepts we are discussed in previous session. Let's come to in this session we are going to get the continued part of labor. In this session we are going to get the information about laborers from organized and unorganized sectors. Like laborers from organized sector. The labor sector is divided as primary sector, secondary and tertiary sectors. Primary, it is belongs to agriculture, secondary which is belongs to agriculture, tertiary that is considered as the service sectors. Similarly, based on the securities and facilities available, the labor sector is further divided into as organized and unorganized sectors. So let's come to how the concept of organized and unorganized sector in generally we are going to get it. The concept of organized sector. The sector which is enrolled as per the law of the government and provided fixed wages, facilities within the framework of law is called as organized sector. Like the sector is guided by Minimum Wages Act, Factory Act, Special Allowances Act, Provident Fund Act, and many other acts in support of laborers. Even examples for the organized sectors we are going to be identify like school, hospital, industries, government related services, commercial banks, life insurance companies, military and others are comes under the examples for organized sectors. So these are all we are recognized as a organized sectors. Like this sector has to take the permission of government before it begins its functions. Its function. It is also mandatory for them to pay taxes. It is the responsibility of the institution to pay a special facilities and provide employment security for the workers. It is mandatory for them to provide pay on specified dates along with overtime pay whenever the workers have worked more than the stipulated time. The sector is guided by legal modalities. The relationship between employee and employer is guided by legal provisions. Here employee means worker, employer is called as owner. There will be relationship, it will be guided by the legal modalities, and the relationship between worker and owner is guided by the legal provisions. So this is about the concept of organized sector. Let's come to the concept of laborers in unorganized sector. Like workers, loading and unloading workers, brick kiln workers, landless laborers, small and marginal farmers, fishermen, beedi workers, mine workers. So these are all the workers will come under the laborers in unorganized sectors. So even minor transportation transactions, vehicle repairing, selling of goods like vegetables, fish on head, puncture repairs and others to this sector. The unorganized sector of work is that sector where legal provisions do not completely govern. In this sector, the relationship between the employer and employee is not guided by any legal provisions. There is no need for registration at all. Registration. The sector does not follow the legal provisions of the government. There are no tax provisions here. And in this sector, some of the very important problems are facing by unorganized sector, like there is no fixed time or duration of this work. Moreover, they work day and night without break. Most of the laborers in this sector earn daily wages. The minimum wages in this sector usually stays below the mandatory pay fixed by the governments. The laborers won't receive any medical benefit or overtime benefit also. They do not get any paid leaves. So such kind of nearly in India a total 90% of laborers work under the unorganized sector. So here are some of the challenges. The challenges faced by unorganized sectors. So the laborers working in unorganized are facing many social and economic problems. They do not have fixed work schedule, fixed pay or defined benefits also, and they even don't get fixed wages also. Let's come to the what are the changes are faced by unorganized sector workers. Among that, migration. In the book Foot Losers, a study of circular migration is done. It studies the labor of people working in unorganized sector. It studies the inevitability of the people to migrate from their place living to the place working is studied in this. Migration is one of the main features of unorganized sector. Laborers of unorganized sector migrate from one place to another place in search of work. The people who migrate like this have no social security also. It is one of the major challenge faced by unorganized sector workers. And the second one challenge, social security. Unorganized sector workers face social insecurity. Social insecurity means having minimum needs to lead a life like housing, health, water, food, drinking water, equal opportunity to work and others. Unfortunately, providing these facilities universally and publicly is called as social security. But this is not available for people working in unorganized sector. So, social security also one of the important challenge faced by unorganized sector workers. And the next one, legal framework. For workers working in unorganized sector, many legal provisions does not apply at all. For example, these workers do not receive wages as per their work duration. The wages as per the payment of Gratuity Act 1971 are not available for these workers also. Apart from this, They are also not eligible for Provident Fund and other such government facilities. So these are some of the very important concepts related to legal framework, as well as it is also one of the challenge faced by unorganized sector workers. And child labor. Children work in the unhealthy environment. Here are many semi-skilled or skilled workers. For example, children work in more number in firecracker production. They work in dangerous environment and without any guarantee for life. The capitalism expects more work for less pay. Children become victim of this greed. In nutshell, unorganized sector fosters child labor very importantly. It is becoming as one of the social evil. It is also one of the very important challenges faced by unorganized sector workers. So physical, mental exploitation. Most of the women in unorganized sector work as domestic helpers. The rate of physical and mental exploitation of these women has doubled these days. As for the statistics of 2014 and 15, more than 70% of women work in unorganized sectors. Women are exploited sexually. Such incidents are being reported on a regular basis. Some of the problems faced are discussed above here. So these are the very important challenges facing by unorganized sector workers. So that is about the concept of till now what we are discussed, laborers from organized and unorganized sectors. I hope you have understood till now what we are discussed. In case of if you are having any doubts related entire lesson, you can comment in the comment box. I will solve your doubts and I will come back with the next video. Until, keep watching my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.